Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning. Uh, Today I would like to present my project assignment for multivariate analysis. Before I present my project, I would like to thank to Dr. Zamira for teaching me for the first semester. I really appreciate and very happy to study with Dr. And I would like to apply my study to my work. I like to choose my project is one-way MANOVA. So for introduction, there is two types, one ANOVA and MANOVA. So for ANOVA, there is measure two sources of variation in the data and compare their relative size. ANOVA has only one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So for MANOVA, it is an extension with ANOVA, and MANOVA can apply to two or more dependent variables. That is different from ANOVA. And these dependent variables need to be measured as the interval or ratio level of measurement. So for MANOVA, there is two types of MANOVA. First, one-way MANOVA. It is used to compare the differences in two or more dependent numerical variables at a time across one categorical independent variables. So for two-way or n-way MANOVA, used to compare the differences in two or more dependent numerical variables at a time across two-way or more, or in bracket in-way categorical independent variable. So for assumption for MANOVA, there is two or more dependent variables measured at the interval or ratio scale. Second, independent variable should consist of two or more categories or independent groups. Third, independence of observation. Fourth, adequate sample size. Five, no outliers. Fifth, there should be multivariate normality of dependent variable. Shapiro-Wilk to test this must be p-value greater than 0.05. Linear relationship between each pair of dependent variables for each group of independent variable. Next, homogeneity of variance covariance matrix. And last one is there should be no multicollinearity. Dependent variable to be moderately correlated with each other. This one is MANOVA table for comparing factor and their interaction. SS treatment and SS residual. So we can find metric of sum of square and cross product and degree of freedom. Okay, and how to find degree of freedom? We need to G minus 1. G is how many groups are there, and we minus 1. And degree of freedom for residual, we NL, summation of NL minus G. And total degree of freedom for total, summation of NL minus 1. So what is my problem statement? My problem statement is my director asked me to examine the effectiveness of emergency services for COVID-19 was performed. She wanted to know whether there were differences between each group from Hospital Kuala Lumpur. Of interest was variation among vaccine Pfizer and variation among vaccine Sinovac. 3 different age groups, 0 to 14 years, 15 to 64 years, and 64 years and above, were chosen from each of 2 randomly selected. Name the appropriate testing hypothesis for this problem. Perform the test that you have. You name the data is given below. The data is divided by 3 groups: 0 to 14 years, 15 to 64 years, and 65 years and above. Upper one is Pfizer, and the lower one is Sinovac, vaccine Sinovac. So there is independent variable, the number of people taken vaccine Pfizer and vaccine Sinovac from the hospital. Dependent variable age group equal to 1 is 0 to 14 years, 2 equal to 15 to 64 years, and 3 equal to 64 years and above. So what is the objective? Objective is to study the age group of population and number of people taken vaccine Pfizer and vaccine Sinovac from hospital. The second objective is to study the effect of age group of population on people taken vaccine Pfizer and vaccine Sinovac. So the solution from this problem is we have one dependent variable, two independent variables, and one factor to analyze. So we use one-way MANOVA testing. So there is a hypothesis as null. There is no statistically difference between two doses taken among the three ages group. As one, there is statistically difference between two doses taken among the three age group. So we need to find x bar 1 if from the population 0 to 14 years, we got 4351. And for x bar 2, we calculate and we obtain 33 and 31. And for x3 is 65 years and above, we got 41 and 35. So for the general x bar, we got 39 and 39. This one is metric of treatment, SS treatment. So we got from the formula from this table, MANOVA table for treatment. So denotes by B. Summation of NL x bar L minus x bar. XL bar mean x bar in the group minus x bar the whole for the group. And we multiply by xs bar minus x bar inverse, and we got SS treatment. And so how the total for the SS treatment is 224, 352, 352, and 896. So how to find SS residual? From also this MANOVA table denotes by W, and summation XLJ minus XL bar. That means average of the that group, multiply by XLJ minus XL bar inverse, and we got metric for SS residual error, and we got 288, 88, 88, and 940. So for the solution, so the next solution is we summation from treatment and residual, we got total correction 892, 376, 376, 1564. So for degree of freedom, we got 2 for treatment, residual 6, and total correction we got 8. So for ratio for determinant is we got 0.056. We use this formula because of n is small size, and we got 8.06. We also can use software R to calculate the problem, and what I play, what I referred is the manual, how to calculate from the solution. And also we can find the answer from the using ARC software. And then the solution from the problem is F distribution having V1 equal to 2 multiplied by G minus 1 equal to 4, and V2 we got 10 degree of freedom. Since 0.6 is greater than degree of freedom for 10 in bracket 0.05 equal to 3.48, we reject as null at the alpha equal to 0.05 level and conclude that average vaccine Pfizer and vaccine Sinovac for the use of emergency services for COVID-19 among the age group 0 to 14 years, 15 to 64 years, and 64 years and above are different. It means there is significant difference between age group when jointly on the variable vaccine, which is Pfizer and Sinovac. Thus, the vaccine can be proceeded to the age group. Thank you for listening and teaching me for this topic.